Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin in Google Drawings because Sheets cannot remove backgrounds directly. Once you open a new drawing, set the page to transparent and insert your image from Drive or Upload. Make sure the subject is centered and zoom in so you can see edges clearly. This matters for precise isolation. Next, switch to the Scribble tool and trace a tight path around the subject, or use built-in cropping and shape masks to roughly isolate areas before refining the cutout. Now you refine the cutout. Trace a continuous path with scribble or curve that hugs the subject. Shorter strokes help with curves. After completing the outline, mask the image to that path or copy the selection to a new transparent drawing so only the subject remains. Once isolated, switch to the eraser equivalent technique. Draw small shapes over stray background pixels and delete them, repeating until edges look clean. Make sure to toggle zoom for fine detail work and smooth any jagged edges. Finish by exporting the cleaned image as a PNG to preserve transparency. Use File, right arrow download, right arrow PNG. Then in Google Sheets choose Insert right arrow image over cells and upload your PNG. Position and resize as needed. If you see a faint halo or leftover pixels, go back to the drawing, zoom to the problem area, remove artifacts, and re-export. Make sure the sheet and image scale are correct. If alignment shifts, nudge the image with arrow keys for pixel-accurate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.